Hello and welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have a massive project that I am so excited to share with all of you, and I hope that you enjoy it as much as I do. So let's get started. Here is a short thumbnail of the Higher Self, and it is from Diamond Kiss XO. And it is, as I mentioned, 500 centimeters by 100 centimeters. And all of this is what 799,997 square diamonds looks like. But I love this image. This is AI, but I am confident in this because of what this looks like. It does not remind me of any other artist, and so I feel good about it. It does come with a sticker sheet, and the sticker sheet is individuals, so you can just take that off and then put that on your container. Or if you like to work out of baggies, you just grab one of these, put the actual sticker on it, and then you're good to go. The owner of Diamond Kiss has given us a 15% discount, so I will put that information below if you're interested in this canvas or any others of hers that she might have. This is the first time that I have ordered from this company, so guys, I took a big chance on this. I really did. Honestly, I was very nervous until it came in, because I didn't know anything about this company. These are resin drills. They look to be resin, and they are really good quality. So that was really important to me. You do get an inventory sheet, 2 pages on the inventory sheet. And so it tells us the colors on here, the quantity, weights, and then the number of bags. And all of these, they always say 1 bag on here, but there's more than 1 bag in all of this. But I do really like this canvas. It is soft lint. It is really good quality. I'm going to show you just a little bit of it, and then I have a B-roll that I'm going to also show you so you can see the full length of this canvas and what it looks like. So with these, we have all of this is 310. I'm scared to even see how many bags of 310 is in here. We're not going to go over all of these drills because we would be here all day. But some of these are in larger bags than others. They are labeled with the number. This is a number that is on the actual sticker. And then it does give us the DMC number, which I truly appreciate because some of the companies only have the number. And then if you get this mixed up, or if you take the number off by some chance, then you don't know what the DMC is. So I am very appreciative of that. But spread these out. This is massive amount of drills. If you are interested in this project and you want to follow along and see how I kit up 800,000 drills, then definitely click on that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, as well as a notification bell so you're notified of my future uploads. But look how bright and cheery that all of these colors are. Now this one is another dark color. It is $9.39, and there are bags and bags and bags of this. It's also, not sure if it's a navy or if it's a black, but there's a lot in here. There's purples, there's blues, reds, yellow. I think it's every color in the rainbow and more that's in here. Lots of blacks, but it's understandable because of the actual background, as well as the 2 silhouettes of the women. So if you can see those, that's a lot of black right there. And I want to show you also the toolkit. We do have a toolkit kind of all over the place. It is your typical toolkit. We do have a boat here. We have a squishy for your pen, which I have my own pen, so I won't be using this one. And we have a single placer here. There are 2 multi-placers in here. I don't like these plastic ones. That's just me personally. But there's a lot of multi-placing in this canvas. So I'm excited about that too, because that will get me going faster. Now, one thing I've noticed on this wax, this is all the wax that you get from this. And if you were to use only this wax, my personal opinion, this is not enough wax for you to use for this entire canvas. But I don't use this wax anyway. I use my own, and that's not a problem for me. It could be a problem for others, but for me, that is fine. We do have some pokey tweezers. Make sure that you do keep this on so you're not stabbed. And then there is another 2-place multi-placer that is in this bag. So that's your typical toolkit that we usually get with premium companies. I have a tray here that I'm going to put some 310s in, and let's look at the drills. But look at this. If you don't like 310, you're going to cringe at this, guys. Look. There are 3 of these humongous bags here. That's a lot of 310. This diamond painting does not come with any special drills, but I am okay with that because I do have some that I think I can use. I mean, it would have been nice to have some special drills, especially for the price of this canvas, but again, I'm okay with that. There's on here, there is some static. That's nothing to do with the company. I have had static for a long time, and I've learned how to work around the static, so I'll do the same thing with this. These quality, though, it looks so good. Look how shiny that these are. I don't see, just glancing at this, there's one drill here that's like a half a drill. You're going to have some trash, but I don't see anything that just absolutely pops out at me. They look really good quality. I don't see any that are together that you gotta have to try to pull them apart. They line up very nicely. And if you're going to have a problem, typically it's going to be with black. I'm going to put this back in here so I do not lose these. There should be plenty of drills with some extras in here. Now, a lot of these bags are huge. Like, for instance, this 310. This is a not your average size here. So I will, when I go to kit up, I am going to have extras that I'll have to store somewhere else, and that's definitely fine. I am going to treat this project as multiple diamond paintings. So since it is 500 centimeters or 16 feet, I'm going to divide and conquer. So after I kit this up, I will go through, and I'm thinking I'm going to separate this out in quadrants of 50 by 50. And once I complete a 50 by 50 section, then I will break this out again and I will show you guys what it looks like. But let me know in the description if you want to see this during the process or after I complete each 50 by 50 section. But I am going to keep this up with you guys. It's going to more than likely be a couple of weeks before I kit up, because I have got to finish my other large canvas, and I think it was the second largest, and now this one beats that one, but I've got to finish Dragon Seasons. I have 2 rows left, and with the move and me going out of town for the weekend, it's going to put off me finishing when I would like to. But as soon as that one's done, I will kit that one down and kit this one up. I want to use the same containers I'm using for my other one as I'm going to use for this one. So I've got to kit that one down first before I can kit this one up. But that's the plan. So I want to show you what this canvas looks like. I had to end up putting this canvas, if I wanted to show the entire canvas, I put it on my floor in my hall between my daughter's bedroom and ours. And it took the entire length of the hall. So I did it that way. I also had to walk on my canvas. I know, not a good idea, but I had on some really nice fuzzy socks, and I want you to see what this canvas looks like. Also, I'm going to take all of this off my table, and then I am going to go ahead and show you just the beginning of this, because I want to show you what the edges looks like and what a close-up of the actual canvas looks like, how it's made, and in case you're interested in that. I also want to show you all of these colors just individually. I am not going to take these out because I'll never get these back in here. They are in, looks like DMC order. No, they're not in DMC order. I'm not sure why they're not, but they are not in DMC order. No, they're not, because this one's $7.98 and that's $9.56, but that's fine too. I will be able to easily put these in order, but look at that gorgeousness. Can you tell I am super excited about this? I am giving myself 2.5 years to finish this, by the way. My husband and I talked about it. I'm up for another challenge from him, and I should be able to get it done sooner than that, but this is going to be in the background. It's not something that I'm going to spend a lot of time on each week. I will have other diamond paintings that I'm working on, but we'll see how far that I get with this. That's a huge navy. That's a really big bag there. And they are individual baggies. So if you can work out of baggies, then that is amazing. I would, if I could, I would. Here's that large one. And then look at all these purples. Purple and black is going to be gorgeous together. We have some reds here. Let's see. And look at all these greens and pinks, turquoise. We have a cream there. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to get the canvas out, and then I'm going to show you before we see the canvas in its entirety. Okay, so this is just the beginning, or actually this is the end of the canvas. I'm going to work from that end and work forward, I think. It is scalloped here, and it is sewn, so that way it does help with fraying. It is extremely sticky. Now, the plastic here, the cover is extremely thin. I do prefer the cover to be thicker than this, but I don't use this anyway. I will be using my release papers, so I am okay with that. It's also really pretty at the top here. It is black on the edges, and then it's got like some black and some blue here, some flowers that overspills to the side. Now, I do have a slight issue with this because I love it. It will be nice if I decide to hang this up, but the problem is it is very, very sticky up through here. Now, I will be putting some tape on here. I'll put some washi on here. So It doesn't, I don't know if you'll be able to see this. If you can see that here, it might be a little bit shinier where you can tell that it does overflow some to the side. And that's like any other canvas does, but you still have all of this here that is really pretty. So I will be putting some washi. I don't know how many rolls of washi that I'm going to need for this. No clue. I would like to have the same washi so that everything is going to look the same. I want it to just be really fun and inviting, and just I sit down and cannot wait to start on this. So that is the plan. So I think I will have to purchase about 3 or 4 rolls of washi. Hopefully that will be enough. If not, I'll buy some more. But I want to bring you in some. The drill field is really clear. I don't have any light on it. This is just the natural light coming in from my window. There is a lot of color blocking, guys. There's a lot of color blocking. Look at all this background. These are the hearts, and this is a 310. So all of that's 310, all of that's there. So if you do not like dark backgrounds, you might have a problem. What I will probably do is on some of this, like these are these stars, I'm going to bling that up. I'm going to bling up some of the flowers, but this is so large, I need to be careful with what I am blinging because I don't want to spend a fortune on extra drills. So I'll have to figure that one out. And I kind of want to just do it on its own to see what it's going to look like without blinging. So I'll have to decide what I want to do about that. And I will get that figured out. I've got a lot to think about on this one and to figure out how I'm going to store this thing whenever I am not working on it. And then even more when I do start working on it and I have quite a few drills laid, how I'm going to keep this thing rolled up. This is very, very heavy, just to let you guys know. But I am extremely, extremely excited over this. Okay, so I'm going to roll this back up. This is like rolling up a piece of carpet. It is just really heavy, and I'm all for it. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to show you the B-roll and take a look at that, and then we will be right back. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know in the description and give me confidence that I can do this. I need some motivation to get this done, and I am definitely all about it. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed, again, click on that subscribe button so that you can see me working on this massive project. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.